Hi folks, myself Raj, founder of Carigaar. My question for you everyone, how do we find small businesses from our locality? How do we find out about their services, about their products or know about their collection? How do we reach these small businesses? For me generally either I Google or try on Yelp or Yellow Pages, sometime on marketplaces to find local businesses. Sometime I can find, but sometime I cannot, but it takes a lot of time. Please let me know in the comments, how do you guys find small businesses from your locality? So to make things simple and easy to find small businesses, we develop Carigaar. In Carigaar, we help you find local businesses from your local area. We can help you do any kind of work in your household or find any product you are looking for. Also, you don't need to search. Just select the category of service or product you are looking for right from the app, and from there you can select the business, that is the Carigaar. Contact them right from the Carigaar app. You can call, text, email or book online right from the app. So at Carigaar, we try to bring all services and products right to your fingertips so that you can enjoy your time with your loved ones. So please download our Carigaar app and try it in your daily life. Buy services and products from our Carigaar. Let us do the work for you.